Today we're going to make a very special tea that is popular in northern Pakistan, Kashmiri chai, also known as Sabz chai, Gulabi chai, or Looni chai. Ready to go? I'm Masala Mama. Let's get started. This chai recipe has just 5 ingredients: salt, baking soda, milk, water, and tea. The tea leaves originated in China and were brought over to northern India and the Kashmiri Valley. These leaves are steamed, dried, and tightly rolled to prevent breakage and hold in the flavor. You can also use chopped nuts for serving, but that's optional. Place your saucepan over high heat and add water, tea, salt, and baking soda. Bring it to a boil. Look for the appearance of pink-hued bubbles on the surface of the tea mixture. The baking soda reacts with the chlorophyll in the tea leaves to give it the unique pink color. Once you start seeing pink bubbles, it's time to aerate the tea. First, add 2 cups cold water. With a ladle, pick up simmering tea up high and gently pour back down into the pot. Repeat this process for 3 to 5 minutes on low-medium heat. This technique introduces oxygen into the tea and enhances the flavor. Now, just to see if you've achieved the desired pink color to your final product, remove a tablespoon of tea, add some milk to it, and look for the beautiful pink color. If you see it, you've reached your desired cooking time for the tea leaves. At this point, you want to add enough milk to the tea until pink color is reached. Traditionally, you should use whole milk for Kashmiri chai. Don't use skim. For those who can't have dairy, this recipe also works with oat milk, though the taste, of course, will be a bit different. This is a good time to taste test. This is a savory tea, so you can adjust the amount of salt to your taste. It really is dependent on your taste buds and what they tell you. Let the tea simmer on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. If using dairy milk, you'll see a thin film form on the surface. You can serve this tea in a couple of different ways. I'm going to crush some almonds to use as a garnish for my tea. Remember my video on parathas? You can cook directly from frozen. Break up the cooked parathas into bite-sized pieces and add to a deep soup bowl. Using a tea strainer, pour tea into the bowl over the hot paratha until paratha is covered with tea. Place a lid on top to hold in the heat and make the paratha soft and fluffy, about 3 to 4 minutes, if you can wait. I can't, so I'm just going to eat it now. I wish you could smell the beautiful aroma of the Kashmiri chai. To enjoy as a milky tea, pour into your favorite cup and top with crushed almonds or pistachios. I hope you enjoyed our video today. Let us know how your Kashmiri chai recipe turned out. If you have any questions, please note them in the comment section below. We do read them. Ramadan Mubarak to all observing this month. Bye for now. Masala Mama out.